Salve omnes, this is Luke, and here's my screencast for the Aeneid Book 1, lines 569 through 578. So to start off things, here's some background to let you know where we are in the story. Right now, Dido's giving a speech to the Trojans about how she can help them to find their men and how she wants things to be peaceful between their two groups. And she also talks about helping to find Aeneas, who's their leader, because at this point he's still in the cloud and she doesn't know that he's there. So she's speaking right now without the knowledge that Aeneas is listening. So let's jump into the Latin. Seo vos Hesperiam magnatum Saturniaque arva, si verisis finis regumque optatis acestin, auxilio tutus dimitam opibusque vabo. So, whether you, and we go down here to the verb, wish for the great west, and Hesperium the west meaning Italy because it's to the west of the Mediterranean, and the Saturnian, or the of Saturn, the fields of Saturn, or the limits, boundaries of Eryx and King Acestes. And then this right here is an allusion to later in the Aeneid, the Trojans will end up settling near Eryx and Acestes. And this is all like, she's talking about future events, so what will happen when they go to Italy. So she says, I will send you away safe, tutos, with help, and I will help you with my resources. And this whole thing is pretty much a ablative of means. So she's saying, I will send you away, I will help you with my resources. Voltis et his micum pariter considere regnis, urbum quam statuo vestra est, subdicte navis. Tros tyriusque mihi nullo discriminagetur. So, and then you go to this for the verb, should you wish, because it's kind of conditional, to settle in this kingdom, and this is an ablative of place where, so in is implied, equally with me, the city which I set up is yours. Take away your ships. Trojan and Tyrian will be driven by me, or, well, it really says for me, but it's a dative of agent, so kind of by me, with no danger. Atcutinam rex ipse noto compulsas eodem ad foret Aeneas. So, and then we jump down to here because it makes more sense in the sentence. Sorry about that. And oh that, this is like an exclamation, utinam, and then now we jump down to in the sentence to Aeneas. And oh that Aeneas, the king himself, were present, and ad foret is a syncopated form of ad futurus asset. And driven by the same south wind. So she's talking about, oh, if only Aeneas had been driven to Carthage with you guys, then we could have set up a deal or something. And equidem per littora certos dimitam et Libya lustrare extrema iubebo, si quibus ejectus silvis aut urbibus erat. So, indeed, I will send out through, or indeed I will send out reliable, and then it doesn't say what is reliable, so just reliable men is assumed, along or through the coast, and I will order, and then she's ordering the men again implied, to survey the farthest and then implied part of Libya. And if, having been cast out, he is wandering, so this brings it back to Aeneas, in any forests or cities. So she's sending out some of her people to survey and try and find Aeneas. All right, I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.